Have you ever wondered how Akyeke is made? Hello there, this is Mariam. On the menu today is Akyeke. Today I share with you how to make Akyeke from scratch. Let's get started. The star of today's recipe is cassava. So I'll go ahead, cut into pieces and then take out the back. I then transfer the cassava into another bowl, add water to it and then wash it. I'll drain the water out, add water to it again, and then wash again. I'll be washing my cassava 3 times, but the third one I will do that off camera. Now I drain the water out. I will add water to it again and then rinse it for the last time. That will be off camera. This is what I'll be using to grate my cassava. You can also go ahead and then cut it into pieces. I love to grate mine because it makes blending faster and easier. Just like I said, you can also chop it or cut into pieces and then blend, okay? But grating makes it more faster and easier. Even if your blender is not that strong, after grating you can go ahead and blend it with the blender that is not strong. So this is what we have after grating. Now I go ahead and then transfer some of the grated cassava into my blender. I will be blending this in 2 batches. So this is my first batch. Then I add water to it, cover, and then we go and blend till smooth. I will be using my chiffon cloth to do the straining. You can use cheesecloth, net, any strainer you have, just go ahead and make good use of it. So this is my first batch and also second batch. Then I go ahead and squeeze out the water. The truth is that no matter how you squeeze out the water, you cannot get all the water out. So you know what we are going to do? That is why you cannot use just one day to make Akyeke. Akyeke requires 2 days at least. Yeah, 2 days at least. It can be 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, but at least it's 2 days. So after squeezing, I tie it tightly. And then this is what we are going to do. All right, then I place it here and put a heavy object on it and allow it to rest for 24 hours. So I'll see you in the next day. Hello there, it's the next day. At this point, all the water is drained out. Now let's check. Can you see how solid and firm it looks? Yes, we have done a great job. Let's push this aside. This is the basket I will be using to sieve the dough so that it forms granules. Hello there, if you're still with me, just like I mentioned earlier, my name is Mariam. Please take a second and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to check on your girl. On the menu is Akyeke, and I'm making it from scratch and you will love the end product. So stay with me till the end. Thank you. These are pieces of cassava. Now you see why it's very important to sift or sieve your dough so that you can get these pieces out. And guys, we are done here. Now, let me show you what we have. So this is what we have. Can you see the granules we just formed? This looks very beautiful and amazing. This is a step-by-step tutorial. I'm taking my time to walk you through the recipe. So watch the video till the end. So now we are going to dry our granules for 1 hour. You can dry it in an airy place or under the sun, but I will be drying mine under the sun. These are other ingredients that we will be using on this plate. I have green bell pepper, green habanero pepper, I have shredded carrots, boiled eggs, shredded onions, garlic, roughly chopped onion. This is ripe plantain from my freezer and also shredded cabbage. I have cooked beans here. So in a bowl, I add in my green habanero pepper, add my onion, garlic, add my green bell pepper, add water, and then I blend all together. In another bowl, I add in shredded cabbage. We are just making a simple salad. Then I add shredded carrots, onion, green pepper, and then I mix all together. I will cover with a plastic bag and then place this in my refrigerator. Now, let's fry some fish. I forgot to show you the fish. So I pour oil into a pan. I'm using vegetable oil. Then I go ahead and fry my fish. You can use any type of fish of your choice, okay? We are done with the fish and then I go ahead and fry the ripe plantain as shown to you earlier. Now it's time to make some green sauce. Akyeke requires a lot of things. So I reduce the oil and then allow it to cool down completely because I don't want any disaster here. So my heat is now back. Now I add salt to my taste. I add rosemary and then fenugreek. Feel free to add any seasoning of your choice, okay? So I stir all together and then cook this on medium heat. At this point, our green sauce is ready and it smells so good. So we set that one aside. Back to our cassava granules. Is dried now, not too dried. It shouldn't be too dried, but at least you can see that it doesn't feel moist again. So this is what we are looking for, okay? And it's perfect. In a pan, I pour in water. I then cover and bring it to boil on high heat. Then I go ahead and place my strainer on it. The strainer has to fit to the pan, okay? Then I add in our cassava granules. I'll go ahead and make something like a well in the middle. It doesn't take much time to cook, just a few minutes and it's done. Remember, we are doing this on high heat. The water is boiling on high heat. Now let's check. Can somebody see what I'm seeing here? Oh, I love it already. But it's not done yet. We are just stirring it. And then we continue steaming. So I go ahead, make something like a well, just like we did before. All right, I'll first cover with my cloth, clean cloth. Then we continue the steaming. Let's check again. Oh, at this point, it's done. Watching this from afar, you can tell that yes, our akyeke is done and it smells so good. When are you making this for your family? Trust me, they will love it. Now it's done. So I'll go ahead and transfer everything into another bowl. Into this bowl, then I sprinkle some salt on it. Some people don't want their akyeke to look white, so they add palm oil at the time of blending. But for me, I love this white color. That is why I didn't add the palm oil. Now it's time to assemble everything on one plate. And I hope you are ready for the result. Yes, even though Ghanaians, we do not own a akyeke, but we eat it better. We know what and what to match with a akyeke. We are almost done. Now I add my fish and we are done. Take a look at our plate looking all yummy. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until I see you in my next video, stay blessed. Bye bye.